Want to watch your subscriber count go up in real time, right from your phone? Here's how to check your live sub count on YouTube Mobile. First, download and open the YouTube Studio app. It's free and made by YouTube. Log into your account, and on the home screen, you'll see your subscriber count at the top of the dashboard. The Studio app updates your count every few seconds. Just swipe down to refresh it manually. For exact real-time tracking, go to socialblade.com, livecounts.io, or ytstudio.me in your phone's browser. Enter your channel name and boom, real-time subs. Watching your live sub count can help you understand what content works. Post a short, check your sub count after an hour, you'll see what actually drives growth. But don't refresh it 100 times a day. Focus on creating, not just tracking. Subs are important, but content builds the brand. On Android, you can use widgets like Live Sub Count from the Play Store to keep your live count pinned to your home screen. Now, you can track your subscribers anywhere, anytime. Like and follow for more YouTube growth tips and mobile hacks.